Are you ready to take your culinary game to new heights? The Ninja DZ090 Foodi 6-quart 5-in-1 DualZone air fryer is here to transform your cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just looking to make quick and delicious meals, this innovative kitchen appliance has got you covered. Let's dive into what makes the Ninja DZ090 Foodi so exceptional. Say goodbye to the hassle of back-to-back cooking. The Ninja DZ090 Foodi comes equipped with 2 independent air fryer baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different foods in 2 different ways at the same time. It's a game changer for efficiency in the kitchen. The DualZone technology takes convenience to the next level. With the Smart Finish feature, you can cook 2 foods in 2 ways, and they finish at the same time. No more juggling cooking times and temperatures. The Match Cook feature allows you to easily copy settings across zones, maximizing the full 6-quart capacity for larger meals. The Ninja DZ090 Foodi offers 5 customizable cooking programs: air fry, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Whether you're craving crispy chicken wings, a homemade pizza, or a healthy batch of dehydrated fruit snacks, this air fryer has the settings you need to achieve culinary perfection. This air fryer is designed to cater to your needs, whether you're making quick snacks or full-fledged family meals. It can accommodate up to 4 pounds of French fries or wings, making it ideal for gatherings and small parties. Each zone boasts its own cooking basket, cyclonic fan, and rapid heater. This means you can prepare 2 entirely different dishes simultaneously without worrying about flavor transfer. It's like having 2 air fryers in one. Nobody enjoys scrubbing pots and pans. The Ninja DZ090 Foodi makes cleanup a breeze with its non-stick cooking baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. Spend more time enjoying your meal and less time at the sink. With a temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you have full control over the cooking process. Whether you're gently dehydrating herbs or achieving a perfect sear on a steak, this air fryer has the versatility you need. Your purchase includes a powerful 1,760-watt unit, 2 3-quart non-stick cooking baskets, and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. Everything you need to start cooking like a pro is right at your fingertips. In summary, the Ninja DZ090 Foodi 6-quart 5-in-1 DualZone air fryer is a game-changing kitchen appliance that offers versatility, convenience, and exceptional cooking results. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a busy home cook, this air fryer will simplify your meal preparation and elevate your dishes to a whole new level. Ready to embark on a culinary adventure with the Ninja DZ090 Foodi? Click the link below to explore this innovative air fryer and unlock a world of cooking possibilities. Your taste buds will thank you. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Ninja DZ090 Foodi 6-quart 5-in-1 DualZone air fryer. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews, and share it with your fellow food enthusiasts. Happy cooking!